Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the miler parts used in the video by clicking on the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluids reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Before starting, release the handbrake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. For vehicles equipped with an electric handbrake, you need to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode using a diagnostic device. To do this, we recommend to watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. This will allow you to push the piston back later to install the new pads. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a 13mm socket wrench as well as a 15mm spanner and remove the slide pins. Using the large flathead screwdriver, release the brake caliper from its support. You can now put down the caliper. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. With a flathead screwdriver, remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the edges of the brake caliper mount where the pads run. Before putting the new pads back in place, you need to retract the piston so as to put the caliper back in place. Place the new noise dampening shims on the caliper.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the miler parts and products used in the video through the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Coat the end of the new pads with copper grease. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount, sliding them into place. You need to check the proper sliding of the slide pins and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw the slide pins. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Clean both sides of the disc with brake cleaner and a piece of tissue to remove the grease deposited when installing the new pads. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. It is now time to reactivate the electric handbrake. For this, we recommend that you watch our video how to put an electric handbrake in maintenance mode. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.